This will be a speed test between the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus versus probably the best budget phone of 2018, the Pocophone F1. Now the S10 Plus, this one has the Snapdragon 855, 8 gigs of RAM, Android 9, One UI. Pocophone F1 has the Snapdragon 845 from last year. This one has 6 gigs of RAM, also on Android Pie as well. Turn on both at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. Ooh, and the faster boot up goes to the Pocophone F1. And we are in! Nothing in the background on both. As you can see, all apps have been cleared. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Very close. Messages. Very close again. Camera. Gonna do it like this. And let's go. Faster on the S10 Plus. Clock on both phones. Go ahead and start the stopwatch on both and leave that running in the background. Samsung Internet and the browser on the Pocophone F1, go. We'll search for GSM Arena on this. Go. Faster on the S10 Plus. Scroll to the bottom and we'll go to the desktop version. Go. Looking at the progress bar, ooh, maybe the F1 was actually out in front on that one. Slow down the video for me. Pinch to zoom on the F1, nice and butter, and do the same thing on the S10 Plus. Very nice. Calculator on both. S10 Plus, I think, on that one. Play Store. A little bit faster on the left. We'll click on this annoying TikTok app. Amazon Shopping. A little bit faster on the left, but not by much. Click on the deal of the day, and we'll leave it there. eBay. Call that one a draw. Click on this iPhone 7. Super Mario Run. Loading on both. And give the win to the S10. Tap to begin. Temple Run 2. Winter Wasteland. S10 Plus out in front. As you can see, we'll confirm that in a second. Faster on the S10 Plus. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in on both phones are neck and neck. S10 Plus ahead. With the F1 catch up, no it does not, and give the win to the S10. Asphalt 9. Asphalt 9 Legends. Which one will come out on top? Ooh! And give the win to the F1 on this. Interesting. Wow, was not expecting that. Well, give props to the F1 on that. Very nice. PUBG. S10 out in front. And what's happening to the F1 right now? Here we go. And give the win to the S10. Get rid of all these annoying pop-ups. And S10 clearly the winner here. Here we go on the F1. Photoshop Express. I do have this 8K image on both phones. And since it's the spring, I'm gonna go ahead and click on the spring filter. As you can see, and I'm gonna jack this up all the way. And then click on save here. And then I'm gonna save it to the gallery and see which phone will do this task faster. And let's go. And give the win to the S10 Plus on this. Twitter, S10 IG, S10 again, Snapchat, S10. So let's take a look at the multitasking on both phones. Everything's in the background, so you can see. On a side note, I do like what Xiaomi has done with the task switcher here. Very cool, so you can see. So let's just see what happens right now. Instagram, still there. Twitter, still there on both. Photoshop, same place. PUBG, same place on both. Asphalt 9, good to go on both. Angry Birds 2, ooh, a little bit of a lag on the F1, but still kept it in RAM though. Temple Run 2, same place on both. So you can see Mario Run. Mario time on both, ready to play. eBay, same place. Amazon, same place on both. Play Store, same exact place on both. Calculator, same place. Browsers, still on GSM Arena. Wow, the Pocophone, not bad. Calculator, the clock, there you go. Camera, there you have it. Messages, there you go. And the phone app, boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. The Pocophone F1, probably the best quote-unquote budget phone that came out last year. Now this one is the 6 gigs of RAM variant. You can get this in 8 gigs of RAM with a nice Kevlar back. This one is just a regular kind of back here. Now I gotta say, just running this test, I am impressed with the Pocophone F1, keeping up with a current 2019 flagship from Samsung. Are you rocking the brand new Galaxy S10 or S10 Plus, Galaxy Note 9? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.